What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today we are live at the Heat Press Nation new showroom that they have, and they just launched this bad boy right here. This is the Heat Press Nation TrueSpec cap press. The one thing that I found that I really loved about this is it has that slide out drawer just like the TrueSpec, just like the Signature series, and this one right here is no exception. You can pull this out, you're not working directly underneath the heat. The good thing about this one is it also heats up the bottom platen and the top platen. There's two different settings on this machine. So if you're doing patches, just like this, there's glue on the back of here. So having this heat up the hat from the bottom up is gonna help release the glue, so then that you can get a good solid press for your patches on your hats. Now, Heat Press Nation invited me out here to check this thing out and also check out their brand new showroom, which I'm gonna show you guys also, but I did wanna show you this right here, which is the new TrueSpec cap press. This thing right here, I need in my shop. If you do trucker hats, dad caps, 5-panel camper hats, racer hats, all of those different hats will fit on this one platen right here. The way that they made this thing is there's no gaps or creasing when it comes to this bottom platen. So if you're familiar with the Signature series cap press like the one that I have, you know that there's interchangeable bottom platens. This one right here has one, which also heats up, and this has a smaller heat element on top. So it's gonna eliminate a lot of those creases that you see, a lot of the press marks that you see on hats. This right here is going to be a game changer when it comes to cap presses. Now, here's a little close-up of what I was talking about. There's this little stopper inside of here. So if you have hats that are going to be a different size and you don't want the top of the platen to rub up against the bill of the hat, you can set the stopper to different sizes. So that way, when you press it down, it's not going to injure it, mess it up, or anything of that nature. This right here, to me, is going to be why I need this press. When I'm doing my neck labels, you guys know I'm already working like this under the heat. Now I can pull it out, put the t-shirt down, slap on the neck label, push it in like all my other presses. This right here is the Signature series cap press that you guys are used to seeing me press everything with. No slide out drawer, but it does have removable platens. Now, the reason you wanted these removable platens is because it fills in the gaps for different size hats. With the new TrueSpec, they designed that platen to fit all hats with no gaps, so you don't have to swap these in and out. These ones right here don't heat up on the bottom like the TrueSpec does, and the TrueSpec also allows you to hit the side of the hat, back of the hat. These right here will not allow you to do that, so let me show you how it works on the TrueSpec. So with the lower platen on here, I'll use my hat. You'll be able to hit the side of the hat, the back of the hat, the other side of the hat, and the front of the hat. Now, I'm just using this as an example, but just to show you all the possibilities, if you wanted to slam a DTF print or a patch on the side of the hat, you can do that with this heat press right here. Once again, slide the drawer out, place the transfer where you need it to, slide it in, get to pressing. Now, just to show you how this thing works, once you put this in there, stretch it down, no gaps. No gaps on this foam trucker, so you're not going to get any of those press marks, you're not going to get any wrinkles because it's sitting on there nice and flush on the bottom platen. All right, so one of these Richardson 112s, 6-panel cap, it's a trucker. You put it down, you're going to stretch it out. Once again, no gaps. I'm pushing on this thing, no gaps. So once again, this is gonna eliminate any creases, any misprints, everything right here. You'll be able to line up your transfers. If you're gonna press this patch on, you could be able to line it up directly on top of it without working directly under the heat. Every time you're using a cap press, if there is no gap inside of there, you'll get a good press. But once you see a little bit of a gap and a little bit of bounce, that's when you'll create those creases. Here's a little close-up of the actual press. This is that little stopper that I was talking about here. So it's adjustable, so you adjust it to the size hat that you want. So it'll stop before going in so you don't press under the bill. If you needed to move it out more, you can move it out more, but that little stopper is gonna help you within production. Now, as you know, this is gonna be the same exact branding as the regular TrueSpec presses, built like a tank, exactly like the TrueSpec line. We have some branding right here. This is an auto open cap press. The handle to pull in and out. Here's the tension lever. Spring loaded. This is where you adjust the pressure from this little knob right here. This is such a dope press right here. All right, now if you guys have any other questions about this cat press right here, make sure you go to heatpressnation.com/bigbrando. You can check out more information about this thing right there. You could go to Heat Press Nation on Instagram and see all the promo product videos about this thing, or you could check me out on Instagram, Big Brando TV. I'll show this thing in action. I'll show my experience with this. But to me, this cat press right here is gonna replace my signature series cat press that I already have in my shop. So once again, if you want to check it out for yourself, heatpressnation.com/bigbrando. Let me know if you got any questions. Put it in the comments for me. Follow me on Instagram if you wanted to, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.